Hello and welcome to day 1 of the 15 songs in 30 days challenge. Today's song only uses 2 chords. Please download the printable so that you can follow along with this video, and it'll just be a little bit more, it'll make more sense if you have the printable in front of you. Okay, so you should have the ukulele you're going to play. It should be tuned. You should have the printable, and now let's take some really deep breaths in and out. This time when you breathe in, try to not lift the shoulders. Drop the shoulders. Expand the belly. One more. Stretch the neck. Continue breathing deep breaths in and out. Today's song only has 2 chords, and that's what we're doing for day 1. As we progress through the challenge, there will be more chords or more technique. So the chords for today are F and G. If it's easy for you to play F and G already, go ahead and skip to this part of the video. If you're still working on F and G, stay right here and we'll work on how to transition smoothly between both chords. Alrighty, so F chord is on fret 2, 0, 1, 0. Play each note, make sure that they sound really good. Now G is 0, 2, 3, 2. Pick each string. Okay. Make sure that your nails are really short for this and you're playing with the top tip of the finger. Look up. The top tip of the finger and not the bottom tip. Not the bottom tip, we want the top tip. So cut those nails as short as you can without hurting yourself. Okay, so now to transition from F to G, we think, okay, go to F and then go to G, but there's a little middle step that I'm taking to make sure that that move is really smooth. Now look up real quick. I'm doing the F, but look up. That index finger, look up, is going to hold the ukulele so that I can let go with all the fingers and then land the G. And then going back to F, I land the middle finger first and then the index. Let me do that again. So I have F, index is holding, and then I rotate to play G. And then when I'm letting go of F, because it's just F and G for this song, I land the middle one first and then the index finger. So if you're struggling with this transition, try it without the chord hand and without the strumming hand. So just do F, index finger hold, G. Index finger hold, F, index finger hold, G. When you go from G back to F, you're going to let go of that hold, of course, and go back to the normal position. For this song, the strumming pattern is the calypso or island strum. It's down, down, up, down, up. And 1 time per chord. So then you'd go to G, down, down, up, down, up. Back to F. Go, down, down, up, down, up. And that's it. So let's try going from F to G, F to G 4 times. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, a little slower. 1, 2, ready, go, down, down, up, down, up, switch, down, switch. 2 more times. 1 more time, go. This FG pattern with the island strum continues for the whole song. So let's try and play the first verse. We'll take it slow, okay? Keep breathing, drop the shoulders, make sure you're not like creeping on your ukulele. Pull yourself up. There we go. Relax. 1, 2, enjoy it. 1, 2, 1, 2, verse 1, go. Keep going. It's only right. is at the end of a verse that's leading into a chorus and to a really like exciting part, I forget a little bit about the strumming pattern and just do down, up, down, up, down, up. So on that last G of verse 1, you can do F normally, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so if you're looking at the printable and see there's an F major 7 and a G6, and I didn't talk about that in the beginning, that's an option. You don't have to play F major 7, you can just play F, and you don't have to play G6, you can play just normal G. Now I know I have some overachievers here, so for those of you who do want to add the F major 7, 5, 5, 0, 0, those are your fret numbers, 5, 5, 0, 0. And G6, okay, so switching from F major 7 to G6, I have the index help me by resting, and then I land the G6. And then back to a normal F, and normal G. So again, choose the way you want to do it. Let's play through the chorus. I'll play it the simple version first, just F, G, F, G, F, G, F, G for the whole thing. Then we'll do it again. I'll play it with F major 7. But we will still sound good together, okay? All right, here we go. 1, 2, 1, to the chorus. 1, 2, ready, go. Thunder only happens when it's raining. Keep breathing. Players only love you when you're playing. Same women, they won't come and they won't go. When the rain washes you clean, don't know. You don't know. Okay, let me do it with the F major 7 for the people who are choosing that challenge. It's F major 7, G6, F, G. So you've got 4 chords. You can continue doing the normal version. Breathe. There we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, chorus, go. Thunder only happens when it's raining. Players only love you when you're playing. Same women, they will come and they will go. When the rain washes you clean, you'll know. You will know. Okay, everybody pause, breathe. So you've learned the whole song now because it just uses F and G for the verse and that variation for the chorus if you want to apply it, and everything else repeats. So you're done with day 1. Now here's my challenge for you though, so don't leave just yet. Okay. My challenge for you is to try to memorize the lyrics. A lot of people say that they have a hard time like strumming and singing at the same time. And so this is a really great song for you to try and sing. Just start by humming at first. And then add a word here and there. Now here you want your fame. Okay, so try memorizing the lyrics. That way, at the end of this 30-day uke challenge, you have songs that you've memorized that you can play without needing sheet music, which is a really cool skill. So have fun memorizing this song. Memorize at least the chorus. Take tomorrow to practice and come back for the next lesson. Hit the like button on this, subscribe, and in the comments below, let me know what you did today. Just something fun, something random, why not? Thank you so much for joining me on this challenge, and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara!